Now, the questions that I got were many, and I thank you guys for sending those questions, but these were the more specific ones that I wanted to bring to this presentation. So what the different non-clinical jobs consist of on a day-to-day basis. The one thing I do when I answer this question is you're going to have a calendar, and your calendar is going to start getting filled with many things. You can be one day talking about risk assessment of one of your products. The next day, you're going to be in an escalation of a product that had a signal. Then the next day, you can have a meeting on post-market surveillance trending, or the next meeting, you're going to have a managerial type meeting to discuss issues with your team. And all of these can happen in a week, 2 weeks, or in the same day. But it is very, very nice to have different things to think about to just move out of that monotony of a day-to-day, because things will happen on the go. And remember, the only constant thing is change. What types of doctors are employers looking for? Well, it's getting more specific right now. So if your background is in OBGYN and you are interested in devices, you may want to look into a company that develops devices for OBGYN doctors. If you use scopes in your day-to-day, you might want to be looking into a company that does that. In my example, well, I was an orthopedic surgeon and I fell again, like the Lego piece, in a joint reconstruction hip and knee company. So right now it's getting more specific. So it may be that if you are a surgeon, you may not get an opportunity in pharma, but if you are an internal medicine doctor, that's probably pharma where you're going to be potentially having more opportunities. What skills are needed? Do you need more? You need the opportunity to get your foot in the door, and then you're going to develop more skills. But just being an MD and being proficient in what you do and are willing to learn and understand your handicap, that is what you need to bring into your interview to let them know that you're willing to learn, that you don't know everything, that you're ready to be humbled down to a position of being sort of an intern again and hit the ground running. Is it interesting, fun, rewarding, and challenging? Yes. There's no other answer to it. And you make great part of that. And would this field be a good fit for me? Well, there's only one way to find out.